Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial, which is a very short one, but I was very curious about these I-cords, and so I wanted to do one for my next bag, so I thought maybe I can also do a tutorial on this crocheted cords. So this one was really particularly really nice. If you see here with 3 stitches, and I was really intrigued to do this cord. But before we jump into the tutorial, I hope you like my channel and you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook. You can find all of that information in the description box below. Also, you can just check my Etsy shop for patterns. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you like the content of my channel and you are considering to subscribe. So with all these things being said, let's just get into it. So first of all, we are just going to do a slip knot. If you are a beginner, you can just check a tutorial for that. And I will put the link above window over here. And let's just start. So let's make a slip knot. And then for this cord, we will do 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we are just going to insert the hook at the chain number 2. So 1, 2, here we are going to insert the hook like this. Just grab only one of the threads, okay? And then yarn under and pull it through, and you just keep it on your inside of the hook, this loop. And then you go to the next one, to the next chain, and of course again you insert the hook, and then you pull it, yarn under and pull through, and then you just keep these 3 loops, because these are the 3 loops that we are going to work to do the I-cord. Okay, so first we are going to leave the first 2 loops out of the hook, but you try to keep them steady with your finger and your nail here, because you don't want them to escape. So we do the first chain, then we insert the hook at the second loop that we have and do another chain to the second loop, and then we keep these 2 loops here. Okay, then we insert the hook at the 3rd loop that I have kept with my fingers. Okay, just be careful because the 3rd one is really slippery. So yeah, here I'm having a problem, I guess. Yeah, okay, I got it. So we do the same procedure at the 3rd loop, yarn under and pull through. So I'm going to do a single crochet at the 3rd loop. Yeah, so I still have these 3 loops, right? So I continue the same thing. So make them a little bit high, and I will put the finger here. So I will keep nice and steady the 2 loops and pull out the hook from those 2, and I'm going to do 1 single crochet at the 1st loop, insert the hook at the 2nd loop, and do 1 single crochet at the 2nd loop, insert the hook at the 3rd loop, and do 1 single crochet at the 3rd loop, and then just remove your finger, and it's like this. So let's do it one more time. Again, I will leave the first 2 loops. I will do 1 single crochet at the 1st loop, insert the hook at the 2nd loop, 1 single crochet at the 2nd loop, insert the hook at the 3rd loop. So again, 1 single crochet at the 3rd loop. Yeah, so this is how this I-cord works, and it's really nice because when you see this one is just a round, then it seems like you have worked 3 stitches in the same time. Okay, so let's just do again. Yeah, so you can do the length that you need. I just did like this, and then you can see how nice and tidy this kind of I-cord is. Oh, it's like round and also a little bit like elastic. So yeah, this is how you do this I-cord, and at the end you can just close with yarn under and just pull through all the 3 loops, and I will do one more single crochet and just cut it. Yeah, so this is the I-cord that I wanted to show you how to crochet, and I hope this is helpful for you. On your way out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next one.